Hey guys, Paul here, and I will be doing some Fallout 4. Please stand by. Okay, got the music. You have the music, which was Air Raid will be in here in a little bit, but I get to start the video off. Cute. It's awesome. I'm gonna go around and shoot everybody. I'm joking. I'm just gonna shoot dog meat. I get no reaction from Air Raid, but I'm not gonna shoot dog meat. I'm not that type of person. I'm not that bad of a person in the game. I would probably do that on New Vegas. Fallout 3 New Vegas. Then I don't even know if that game has a dog. And I don't want to know. I want to find out for myself. I'm not going to talk to everybody because that'll give away really big spoilers. But just to let you know, if you don't want to see any spoilers for Fallout 4, in the video now. There are going to be spoilers. Just to let you know, spoiler warning, okay? Spoiler warning. Oh, it's so cute. There we go. I like the laser in this. Holy crap! No, no!
Oh, you're starting the video already?
Well, you know what? Just to get rid of that mistake, I'm just gonna kill myself real quick.
Oh my god, it looks like the rifle is...
We don't need those type of jokes on this channel right now.
I know, I'm sorry.
We don't need any of those.
I'm sorry.
You hear that?
I'm
Thinking my rifle's a bad thing. How do you reload?
X or square.
Ready!
Yes! Liberty Prime.
It's a punk! He is because you said he's cute. So I say he's a punk.
What are you trying to do? Okay, what are you trying to do?
I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing.
Well, you could do some...
Shut up!
No, don't shoot him. No, go to your missions. You might have some missions to do. If you could do it for me.
I just want to run around shooting stuff.
Okay, then. Go spawn Sanctuary and start shooting stuff.
Go get armor.
No, don't get that armor. Get the flaming armor. The flaming armor's still cool.
I want jetpack.
I have to repair those.
Oh, well, let me put some flaming armor on it.
No.
Well, find it. I'm going to go see if I can buy some stuff. I'm going to buy
Just don't take the BOS armor, because they're both damaged, and I'm going to try and repair them.
Research patrols are a crucial facet of our
Hello, guys.
operation
Air Raid here today.
Hello, people.
My intro.
Any Brotherhood soldier
Oh, don't go to her. Don't go to her.
research
Don't go
patrol
to her.
assignment should speak
Don't
to
go to her.
Progress
She's going to
Landing
ask if you have reactor coolant.
I don't want any.
Yeah, and I don't have any.
You're not getting any of my.
Hello, Proctor
You
Chicken.
better say you have a a nuke. I want a nuke.
Well, I don't think he sells nukes. Guys, comment below if this guy can sell some of, nukes. Mini nukes. If he can, that would be great.
You're saying you don't have many nukes. You have one.
Well, that's
Literally rare.
That's if you become a traitor to him and steal it. I don't want you to become a traitor.
Blow this guy up.
Yep, then you become a traitor. Dude, don't. You're You're gonna make him be a traitor to you.
I'm not gonna save any of it.
Yeah, but then the game will save every time you do a mission. Yeah, if you do something wrong.
Oh, that's not fair.
Yeah, so one mistake and you can already be a traitor to your brother.
I don't want that. They have a lot of big armor. They're mean.
Yeah, they have the good stuff. They have the good stuff.
That's just ugly.
Super mean.
I hope I live long.
Punk sent even that one idiot that helped you.
He's a good one.
He's still a synth.
He's a good guy.
Screw you, brother knight captain.
Brother Knight. Oh yeah, you.
You're a
Scored,
punk to me.
hey, you scored.
I'm a
touchdown.
sergeant.
You scored a touchdown, but it's still 28-38. Tennessee Balls might win.
Might.
Might.
Can't get it
Because we're already slouching around like us Tennessee Balls do. Come on, we gotta get in the spirit. We need to win this.
Ball be a lesson to anyone who risks gambling on it.
Don't care, bye, 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 bye. La, 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 la. Oh, oh. La, la, la. Oh.
Word is you made Sentinel. Congratulations. Was there anything you can do? Catch me up. All right, soldier. You'll be fine. Just tell me what the trouble is. Actually, never mind. No problem. Let me know if you
I'm
need
addicted to alcohol and drunk right now. There's a cat. Why is there a cat?
Sentinel. Damn.
Alright, I'm back. I had to go use the bathroom.
Run away. Run away. It's not working.
I would just love to see you go into that room across, like right there.
Right there?
Yeah. See what's in there. You know who this room belongs to?
Who?
Elder Maxon.
Oh, that guy's a punk.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he made
He's
you.
the boss.
He made you kill.
I know, but it sucks.
You know who he made you kill. I'm gonna change what. Oh, you, Elder Maxton. I will shoot your vodka.
Dude. If he found out in... Is it...
Shot his vodka. Didn't steal it,
But you shot it.
but I shot it.
You shot it.
Shot it. Hey guy! I shot Elder Maxton's vodka!
You did what? I'm gonna go tell Elder Maxon.
No, you don't!
That goes straight
No.
to Elder Maxon.
No, it's not!
Yeah.
No, I told him! Oh god!
He's right there.
I shot your vodka!
You did what?
I shot your vodka!
He actually looks...
Free vodka! He's sneaking in front of him. That's all free!
It's all free! It's all free from here, man. It's all free from here.
Yay! I'm gonna drink the rum. Gonna drink the vodka, the whiskey, the wine. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh, I'm still. I feel like I'm sick. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, I fell. I fell. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Uh, oh my God, I feel sick. Geronimo! I shot at a knight. Hunter! I think we were visited by aliens in real life. Not just in the game. Come on, you're gonna take me home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home, Mama. And I wanna go home. I gotta go home to Sanctuary. Oh, no, I don't wanna go there. I wanna. Job's done. I did my part. You do the rest of the work, okay? Putting you in charge. You can do everything else. Balls suck.
We won!
Oh,
Balls! Volunteers! Let's go!
wait a
Woo!
second.
Feels so good. Florida
There we go.
Gators suck.
Alright, store.
Balls won.
Store.
The streak is over. Just like the Undertakers in WWE.
Took y'all long enough.
Oh, yes! Finally.
Oh yeah, dude. Well, balls suck. I'm not saying yeah about that. But we have tons of generators, and we're gonna go take more for Sanctuary over here.
The streak's over.
About time! Took 11 years. It took 11 years for the Vols to finally actually beat the Gators. And the Gators are still better. That was just a lucky shot. Like this. Don't make me shoot. There you go. Pew. 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 Oh, time to make this best harder. What can we run? I don't see what happened.
Your streak is over, boy. Yes.
I stored it.
You had too much stuff in your thing. What are you trying to do?
I literally don't know what I want to do.
Where are you at?
Sanctuary.
You had too much stuff. Okay, why are you at Sanctuary and you have too much stuff?
Do we need this?
No.
Okay, store it. Oh, junk. Alright, okay, we get that. We don't need the nuclear material yet.
Not until we create a mini nuke or something like that. It is possible.
It is. Speech bobblehead.
Energy weapons bobblehead. I have 5 bobby pins. Why don't here, give me the controller. Why don't we go out and explore?
Hey, that's what I was gonna do, but then I ended up fast traveling here. 'Cause I was gonna place down reactors that I stored.
Power generators?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, generators. But they don't want to let me build them.
You know you're carrying too much stuff, right?
I know. I got a plan.
We don't want to talk to you, Preston Garvey.
Now I can't figure. There we go.
So what are you gonna drop?
I'm not gonna drop anything.
Well, you're too slow.
I know, but I got an idea. Just shh. Shh.
Oh, seriously, you're gonna blow yourself over. Why'd you do that?
I don't know.
Here, give me your phone.
Your turn.
Whoa, look at that.
Look stupid.
T-51 series of power armor was the pinnacle of mechanical protection before the Great War.
I was the very first of all of them.
Uh,
Let's get close up on that. The very first power armor ever created.
yeah.
It's your flamer. It's the flame one.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that is. That's the flame one. The T-51.
I don't have the T-51.
Yeah, you have the T-51. Go back to Fallout 4.
Yeah, let me fix this iTunes update.
It's okay. It's not gonna mess up the video.
And you're good to go.
Oh, 18 minutes.
Oh my gosh, you're drunk. Wow. Freaking drunk. Drunk man.
Shh.
What are you shushing me for?
Shh, guys. It's okay. It's okay.
Hmm.
It's okay. It's okay, Hunter.
I'm
Hunter.
trying to figure out where
Should I? Should I, Hunter?
What?
Should I?
No.
Why not?
No.
Should I now?
No, because I don't want to get shot.
But I'm not even aiming it at you.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Look at me. I'm not even aiming it at you.
Okay, go ahead. I don't care.
Shot Batman.
You shot Batman. Okay.
Ooh, flamer.
I like it. I like Flamer. He gonna flame you up.
I like Fallout 3 and stuff. I'm just not really big on Fallout 4. I'm not
Oh my gosh, dude.
used to.
I do not see why you have so much of this stuff.
I got an idea. Go to.
Well, now I can't do anything because I fast traveled here.
Fast travel somewhere else.
Yeah, but then. Alright, screw it. We don't need this.
Actually, we did need
Well, I don't care. Oh my gosh. Okay.
that. I have an idea. Go to.
Jesus.
You gotta reload. I got an idea. How about you go to the Puritan place? Go to that one place that's close to it, where you had to build the thing. Go there.
Go where?
The place where you had to build the thingy to get inside the Institute the first time. And yes, nobody can get mad about me making spoilers because I told you spoiler warning at the beginning of the video.
Okay.
I don't even own the game. And I already know how the game ends.
Because you played it with me.
No, I didn't even play the ending with you. I played like the middle and a little bit toward the end. Just a tiny bit. Oh yeah, fast speed now. Now you're fast. How are you fast? How are you fast?
Because you have wine.
Oh, the
So,
alcohol makes you go faster.
apparently.
I mean, helps you get hold more strength. Really? Oh, because you can hold 290 when you're drinking alcohol. You were already holding a lot of stuff when I started, but before I drank the alcohol.
I'm gonna. Is it use on?
Are you gonna keep the button cutter?
Oh, I didn't even realize I put it in there.
No, you didn't even. I don't think you put it in there. I think you stopped with you. I'd keep it because it has gears, which is something you really need.
Yeah.
And I found I found a trait that you need. The ghoulish trait. If you get that, radiation heals you.
He can't step on me.
Bet you can. Get in front of the steps. Oh, he's not gonna step on you because he's a little scared.
He's my birdie.
He's a punk.
He's my birdie.
He's a punk.
He's a birdie.
He's big, tall, and stupid.
Wine has worn off.
I think your guy's an alcoholic.
You want to see me jump this? Ah! I jumped over it anyways.
Hayden, you stepped in it. You have new radiation. Two rats. Two rats. Jump the ocean. Hey, don't jump off the building. If you are, don't flip.
Do a flip? Can't do a flip.
Yeah, you can. It's Fallout 4. You can do anything. Dare you to shoot your night friend.
I ain't gonna shoot Liberty Prime.
Why not?
Actually, to sound like it, he sounds like a transformer a little bit.
Kinda.
Yeah, vodka and rum has worn off.
Now you might start dying.
Why?
You're addicted to it. Do you know how much your character you drink? Like when you play this game, do you realize how much your character you make your character drink? He's an alcoholic. He's a drunk.
'Cause it's almost the end of the world.
It is the end of the world.
Yeah. It's the end of the world.
Killed your son.
I don't care. He decided to be part of this.
A horrible father.
It's neck and neck. This is one hell of a race. It's another great. What is it now?
Oh.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh my god, seriously? You cussed at me? You cussed at me? I'm gonna freaking hit you.
Come
Okay.
on, you hold up the race.
I'm holding up the race? Look at you. You.
Take him down, boys. Just kill him already.
Brooke, yeah, you should actually take that baseball bat. You should go kill the Cogsworth wannabes.
And I'm stuck. And I'm stuck.
Well, I guess you gotta shoot yourself in the fat man.
How is this possible?
Oh, okay. Jeez Louise. Jeez.
Even without any pieces, a power armor frame provides a variety of advantages, like increased carry weight, greater melee damage, and the elimination of falling damage. Oh, go.
So that doesn't really help with that much of health.
I swear if it spawns me back to my base.
It's gonna spawn you back to your base. I guess I don't really have no clue. I don't know any of the mechanics in this game.
I don't either.
Well,
Oh, well, it spawned me, like, after I took the blood packs.
I know the building mechanic. I don't really know much other of this game. One, it's PlayStation 4. Two, it's Fallout 4. And I've only played Fallout 3 and Fallout 3 New Vegas.
Mm. Are those better than this game?
To me, yes, they are.
Why?
They're not as easy. They're harder. This game's a lot easier.
Iron Maiden's out to an early lead, but Bishop
This
Jones
is
right behind.
the easiest of all the Fallout games I've ever played.
Don't forget Boston Blaster. He's pulled this out before. What a race! What a race!
The reason why I say those two are better is because these two, I mean, this one
It's
is
another
too
great day
easy.
out here in the track.
You get your power armor instantly.
Man, it's good.
Like, in Fallout 3, you'll be lucky if you find or get the power armor. I don't even know if you can find it. I know you can get it, but you're lucky if you ever even lay eyes on it.
How's it going? People been sleeping here.
It's okay. You just need to tell me what happened. They said they tracked the ransom. I don't know killer, but I know.
Okay. Should I pay ransom?
Sure.
Here's the ransom. Pay them when they come back. Okay. Thanks. I trust those raiders.
Oh. Well, I gave him the thing, so I guess I gotta go talk to him, and then this video will be over.
Really?
Yeah, we're already 31 minutes in.
Holy crap.
Yeah. And to think that we were gonna do a 5-hour live stream yesterday about this.
It was gonna be an 8-hour-long live stream. It was gonna be like 5 different games. No, it was gonna be Fallout 4, Xenoverse, Rainbow Six Siege, and Black Ops 3.
So if the live stream is fixed, do you want to do one tonight? If the live stream's fixed today, guys, we will do a live stream. If it'll allow us, because last time it just would not work.
I've tried live stream, hasn't wanted to work.
Brotherhood doesn't mess around when they decide someone they're in. I rescued that kidnapped settler. We've got another settlement on our side now. Good. Another win for humanity. Keep it up. Pretty soon we'll have the whole Commonwealth behind us. I'll let you know if I hear any settlements making themselves. In the meantime, make sure to offer help to anyone that needs it. And only help our cause.
Alright.
Alright, guys, well, anything to say, Eric?
Yeah. Soar to the skies, my friends.
Soar to the skies, the lawn is the way. Alright, well, guys, see you in the next video. I'm sorry this hadn't been a really, energetic video.
We did get to find some stuff.
7:48. We got up at, 7. And,
You spit alcohol.
and, well, yeah. Vols and Gators game happened, and now
And we won!
Vols suck!
Gators!
See ya. Vols suck.